Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Google Docs tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to change language in Google Docs. This is actually quite simple, and even if you don't understand the language, this is no problem. Just click where I click and you will get there. To do this, we first open Google Docs, but you don't need to be here, it is enough to be in any of the Google services. Because what we need is our profile here at the top right corner, and we click on it and go to Manage Your Account. Here we switch to Personal Info, scroll down until we reach Language, click on it, and now we are shown all the languages currently available. In my case, the primary language is English and the secondary language is German. If the desired language is not there, I can add it here. To change the language now, I click on the arrow, and we can see that Google has changed the language in real time. This may only work for the Google account itself. For services such as Google Docs, you may have to log out and log in again. If this still is not enough, there is another solution. Some website information are saved so that you don't have to make the settings every time you log in. Usually this is practical, but in this case it gets in our way. To delete the website data, we click on the small icon next to the address bar and go to Cookies and Site Data. Here we click on Manage on-device site data, and here are all the data used on this site. We also find docs.google.com, but what we need are the websites from google.com. So we delete this once and click on Done. We are now asked to refresh the page once. And sometimes it works with a simple click, but sometimes another login is necessary. Since we now have deleted the data, the new language settings are loaded. And we can already see that Google Docs is now displayed in German. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.